Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you in this video tutorial that how I got Argent Twilight game on my iPhone, guys, and I'm going to show you step by step in this tutorial that how you can download it in your mobiles. It works in all kind of devices. The method I find it out, iOS and Android devices, and it's available worldwide, so you can download it in every country without a problem. So I'm going to open the game real quick so you can see that everything works and runs perfectly, and then we'll go immediately to show you the steps you need to follow in order to get the game and play it in your mobiles also, you guys. So you can see that I just entered inside of the game, just a few seconds to load. So we are going to touch to start, just a few seconds to connect. You see that everything works and runs perfectly, guys. So we can go to the open. Okay, as you can see, I downloaded 3 days ago and I was playing. Meanwhile, it's very awesome game, guys. So we can try to make a game very short so we don't make the video too long. Okay, so you see that I'm just entering inside. We can continue. Okay, start the battle. So you see that everything works and runs, guys. So I put it automatically. Here I can stop it if I want to make it manually the fight, or I can do it automatically the fight. So let's go immediately, do not lose more time, so I can show you the steps you need to follow in order to download the game in your mobiles, guys. So before you start the loading process of the game, you need to make a checking, which it means that you need to go to settings and then to scroll it down till to the battery and make sure that you are not in the lower power mode. So this yellow sign here on the top should be switched off. This it will help you the downloading process of the game, guys, to be faster and smoother. So after completing this checking, you have to get back to the home menu, and then you need to go to Safari or any kind of browser that you use, and you need to search for a website called freeinjects.com. So this is the name of the website, guys, where you're going to find the game. You just need to enter inside of the website, and you will face a bunch of other applications inside of the website. Just a few seconds to get open. A lot of tweaked and modded apps, as you can see right over here. I'm scrolling for you. There are so many of them. Later on you can check it by yourself if you want to get any one of them. You can get it without a problem. I'll just go on the top to search in the searching bar, so it's more easy to find it out, the game. Okay, just write it down, and here it comes. It says download and play Argent Twilight on iOS and Android for free, available worldwide. You need to press in the middle, and then you need to press this green sign, download now. You just need to wait a couple of seconds. The loading process of the game process it from the website to your device, guys. So as you can see, steps are not so difficult, quite simple and easy. Just make sure you watch the video until the end to understand all the steps you need to follow until the end. I have to mention to you one more time that the game can be downloaded also for Android devices, and for the Android devices are the same steps as I'm showing to you guys in this tutorial with my iPhone. So practically also for the Android are the same steps. Okay guys, the next step is going to take you to the verification zone, same as it did it to me. It will require in description to download the complete instructions below in order to unlock Argent Twilight on your device. So in order to unlock the game, we need to complete the instructions below, which it means you're going to face a couple of apps over here. And most of them, they are very popular, well-known apps, so there is nothing to get worried about it. Everything is legit and safe. So how it worked for me, practically after I downloaded these two apps and I completed the instructions, it popped up on my iPhone, the game Argent Twilight. So I'm going to show you step by step how I did it. For example, I chose Family Island, press on it, tap to install. It will connect automatically with the Apple Store in the case when you're using iOS, and Play Store in the case when you're using Android. So as you can see right now, I got connected with my Apple Store, and to me it shows the sign open because I downloaded before Family Island when I got the game for myself. So to you to show the sign of downloading, so practically all you have to do, you need to press to download the app. So after you download the app, you need to open it for a few seconds, at least 30 seconds is enough time required that information and data process it from the website to your device, guys. So after I completed the first app, I got back to the website. I did the second app, which is Golf Rival, and if you go back to the website, you're going to see Family Island to the top and Golf Rival over here, the second one. Also with the Golf Rival, I did the same steps as I did with Family Island. Press on it, tap to install. It will show me a page to search for the app in the Apple Store, as you can see right here. Press on it, and then I had to search for Golf Rival, and here it comes. And I download it. After I download it, I open it for a few seconds, also Golf Rival. So after I completed both of these two steps, it popped up on my phone, Argent Twilight. As you can see, we continue again where we left it. So the game is legit, it's not fake or something not okay. So you can see I can go out, I can enter, show me continue, we continue again where we are. So just one more tip, guys, before I leave. When you are in this stage, to the verification zone over here, this doesn't mean that you have to do the same apps as I did it. You can choose any app that you want, because to some of you probably will not even show up these apps I'm showing to you in this tutorial. So you don't get stressed why you don't find Family Island or Golf Rival, because some countries they don't show up these apps, they show different apps. So you just need to try with the apps will show up in your verification zone, guys. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I hope my video will help you. And before you leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the like button, guys. Cheers.